Hey, how you doing? Ray here. Welcome to It's All About the Cocktail. So tonight I want to tell you about two things. I want to tell you about another gift my wife had gotten me called the Noser. The first stainless steel nosing glass. Now I got this you might have saw this in my last thing when I run to Binny's. I told you about this. We're going to check that out tonight. We're going to know some stuff with it. Also, I want to tell you about Smith & Cross traditional Jamaican rum. This stuff is great. This stuff really grows on you. I was first introduced to this by my brother-in-law, Rick. Rick got me bottle brought from the East Coast. I love this stuff. It's a very funky, overproof Jamaican rum. Overproof meaning over 100 proof, which means it's Navy strength. Because they had a thing where it had to be over 100 proof, where it wouldn't start the gunpowder on fire. So this is actually 57. So it's 114 proof. So let's put a little bit in our nosing glass and see what we think. Like I say, by itself, I mean, it's a learned taste. It's something you can come to appreciate. If you like the funkiness or the hogo in rums, you're gonna love this. But if that's not your game, if you're used to Bacardi or something, you might not like this. I'm gonna try it with a little ice ball in there. Now this is an insulated glass too, so stuff doesn't lose its heat or coldness quickly. So pour a little more in there. Got a nice pop to the cork there. Now usually I wanted to put an orange peel in there. A peel of an orange, peel off the end of an orange. But I guess maybe last Saturday I made orange juice, I used them all. Or they were bad or something. So I'm going to use a few drops of orange bitters. Yeah. Just a couple. Simulate an orange peel. Maybe that'll take a bit of the edge off this. So, like I said, this is best used when it's a co-star with other rums. Meaning, like match up. Like I did 1 ounce of Smith & Cross, 1 ounce of Denizen in my Mai Tai. It was great. So let this get a bit cold. Swirl it around. Like I said, I thought it was kind of hard to get, but my Binny's had it. And it's like around $30, which I think is really fairly inexpensive for the quality rum you're getting. For an overproof rum, you're not going to use that much of. I mean, you're not going to really, be pouring this in straight. It overpowers. If you put it straight in a Mai Tai, it kind of overpowers it. But when mixed with something else, it's very good. Wow. That makes a big difference. A little bit of ice, an orange peel, or orange bitters in this case. That makes a big difference. This stuff is excellent like that. Oh, I love that. That's good. So I got a bunch of rums I gotta review for you. So hopefully you like this. Give this a like, send me back a comment, and let me know what you think. If you tried Smith & Cross, if you ask any bartender, he'll tell you about it. He'll probably talk your ear off about it. I mean, this stuff, it's well known. A lot of people using it out there, and it's very good. The funkiness to it. If you're wondering funky, what are you talking about funky, Ray? Try a little bit, you'll know what I'm talking about. Then you'll say, oh, that's what he means. So, try some Smith & Cross, under about $30. And the Noser glass, I'm going to put a link down below to where you can order this from my Amazon link. Until next time, my friends, just remember, at the end of the day, pour yourself some nice old rum, swirling around and think, damn, it's all about the cocktail. Or in this case, the neat rum. I'll catch you just in time for the next round. See you later. Wow.